The Zonesun ZS-VCM901 is a multifunctional industrial vegetable cutting machine designed for slicing, shredding, and dicing a wide range of vegetables and fruits. It supports simultaneous slicing and dicing, with adjustable cutting sizes to meet diverse production needs. Built with a food-grade conveyor belt and stainless steel body, it ensures hygiene, durability, and efficiency for commercial food processing lines. It is especially suitable for processing tomatoes, carrots, cucumbers, leafy greens, and corm vegetables in large-scale production.